You got honey BBQ. That honey hit that soft ass bun. You bite into it. You take a guess what happened. You know what? Fuck this bullshit. Fuck the bullshit. Fuck the bullshit.
She say it be hurting, hit her cervix, I'm damaging. Had her on her back, I made her tap like she's a wrestler.
Familia, welcome to an episode of Blazing Taste. Let's go ahead, walk in the kitchen. Let's go ahead, get it and stuff our face. Now, blaze and taste, in which we blow good, then we eat good afterwards. Now, I didn't do it on camera, you know what I'm saying, because I am no longer smoking on the channel on camera, Big Bad. I know y'all miss me just sitting down, just talking, reacting, but now I'm gonna stop blowing on a cam diddly amber for two reasons. Uno, they demonetize your stuff, which is stupid. And dos, I got some kids that watch me, you know what I'm saying? And I don't want you to mimic what I do. But the content is not changing. I'm still talking about stuff. I'm still talking about Kizog. I'm still talking about some 4 inches of shaft, yank it out. 6 inches of shaft, yank it out. 7 inches of shaft, yank it out. Next you know, Sweet Home Alabama diddly amber. The whole 8 inches is inside her mouth, Big Bad. I'm not stopping that, but I am gonna stop sparking on cam. But today, man, I got a fire pickup for y'all, man, for the blazing taste. Now, a lot of people may think I'm disgusting for this, but listen, let me go ahead and crack this thing open real quick and show y'all what we got on this blazing taste. Bam! Yes, sir! The Fast Bites BBQ rib sandwich. Now, listen, man. They had these back in the day in elementary school, Big Bad. Now, I was a big fan of school lunch back in the day. You know what I'm saying? Especially the barbecue rib sandwich, man. We got the boneless pork patty with barbecue sauce, man. 15 grams of protein, yeah! Already, Chico, that's not natural. Fuck you, Big Bad. You know what I'm saying? Let me do me! You know what I'm saying? Can I eat? Alright, man, got the BBQ with me. Got the bun sesame seed, me say. Fuck all this singing shit. Let's go ahead and dig in, Big Bad. Wait. Alright, man, let's go ahead and get into it, man. I'm excited as hell. Listen, bro, the Fast Bite McRib. Oh, man. Go ahead and pick it up. That bun is nice and soft. Let's go ahead and bite into that. I know y'all heard that. That rib is cooked. That butter tops it off. And I made sure like the little riblet was crispy around the edges. That's why y'all can hear the crunch. See, they talking about some for better results. Put the little McRiblet sandwich in there for about 2 minutes. I did 5. So that's how you know mine is cooked. You know what I'm saying? So stop coming at the rib sandwich sideways. Damn! You know what? I'll be right back. I got something for y'all last. I'll be right back. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Y'all know what I'm about to do. To add even more goodness to the BBQ-ness, I'm about to put some sweet BBQ on it. I'm about to put some sweet baby rays on it. There we go. That should be good. Perfect. Perfect. Go ahead, put that on there, man. So listen. So to add insult to injury to this already delicious snack, I made it more delicious by putting a honey BBQ on it. That should be illegal. Just go ahead, buddy. Oh! Damn! That's good. That's good. It's like when that. First of all, you got honey BBQ. That honey hit that soft ass bun. You bite into it. You take a guess what happened. You know what? Fuck this bullshit. Fuck the bullshit. Fuck the bullshit. Fuck it. What I'm about to do is take the remainder of the sandwich. And I'm going to dip it. So damn good! Now, so they put caramel in here too. So, oh, caramel color. No, I'm not gonna lie. They got a whole bunch of names I can't pronounce. But I don't give a damn. And I already know there's some vegans out there are gonna be judging me. Oh, it's processed meat. Shut the fuck up, big bad. Let me eat what I want to eat. Simple. I just want to nibble on this little rib sandwich because I don't even want it to go. I don't even want it to leave. That was good. That was good. That food is out of there. You know what? You know what I'm going to do? Okay. We didn't hit October yet because it said best used by 10/1/19. Okay, so I'm good. Okay, cool. So I'm not gonna die. All right. Go. Ooh. Fast bites. Well, the name is true. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like a little nibble. It's like a little slider. You know what I'm saying? Which is good, though. It's good, bro. It's good as hell, bro. And don't even judge it. You can't judge it, bro. I'm telling you. You gotta, don't knock it till you try it, bro. Do not knock it till you try it. And then that sweet BBQ. Sweet Baby Ray's, he basically talking about his brother chef Larry Raymond perfected the family's recipe, in which they did entered our sweet and tangy BBQ. That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's more so like sweet and tangy, bro. This is good as hell, bro. Fast bite rib sandwiches. Like I said, I first got hip to these. Excuse me. When I used to work at a store called Marshall's, it was good. I always used to have my 15-minute break. I used to have that in them Turkey Hills. Damn. Damn, I wish I had another rib sandwich. You know what? During the you know what? During the summer, what I'm actually going to do, I'm actually going to have a rib sandwich challenge. You know, I'm going to see how many of these delicious motherfuckers I can scarf down. I guarantee I can scarf down about probably like 15 rib sandwiches, bro. And that's just on a light day. You know, it's just because they so good. Even though that this is not healthy at all, I just don't give a damn. I really don't. I don't give a damn. Because I'm a savage like that. Hey, I would suggest you eating these all the... Thought I heard something. But look, I wouldn't suggest you eating these all the time. But because it has like furious sulfate in it. Look, and I know sulfate is not good for your hair, so... You know, I know you shouldn't be eating. I know you shouldn't be eating sulfate. Because I don't even use, my shampoos don't even have sulfate in it. And I'm eating it. But yo, it's good though. It's good. It's good. It got peroxide in it? Oh, never mind. Never mind. That's a... peroxide. It do got peroxide in it. So I basically just ate some peroxide. But it's so good though. Bro, all of this stuff is not good for you. It's not. I wouldn't recommend you eat these like all day, every day. I wouldn't recommend that at all. You know. Excuse me. That's that damn sulfate. Sodium acetate. That don't sound too good. Natural smoke flavor. What is that? Now I did notice some texture vegetable protein. Zinc oxide. Yeah, I basically just ate like a bunch of unhealthy you know, I will not be eating these on the regular. I got a shit. I got a shit bad. Alright, familia, that is the end of this video. If you liked it, please like, please comment, please share. Comment below, man. Would you ever try this rib sandwich? I already know y'all gonna be like, hell no. But listen, bro, it is actually good, bro. This is good as hell. Alright, familia. Bitter. Goodbye.